Hey, here we have a Singer Model 338 in, I guess, a robin egg blue, made in 1964, 1965. It's nice and clean. It came in the case, came with a pedal, and I have the cams for it. I haven't tested those yet. It sews pretty good. I got it balanced. I need to take the top off. I'll pause it, throw some oil in it, and take it up out of the case here, get it all cleaned out, and then thread it up, see how it does. As far as cosmetic, there's a crack there. No big deal. And I believe this is turned sideways. I think most of the time this is up on top, but I don't know, it's sewing. I'm not going to make a big deal about it. So, like I said, it's fairly clean. Made in Great Britain. And here's the back side. Here's a look down inside. Not too bad. I mean, it looks like it's been oiled, taken care of. I'm going to put a couple drops in it. Maybe it's been a while since it had any oil, so yeah, it could use a few drops. There's some lint, which is to be expected. I didn't think to show the belt, but it looks like it was replaced not long ago. I mean, you can still read Singer and it looks brand new. So I'll get this lint cleaned out with a few drops of oil here and there on that bottom side, and that'll be good. And here's some more. Okay, with some Singers I have, if you open this will pop up. Other Singers, they have the button over here for the feed dogs. You move it, it'll pop this up sometimes. This one, you gotta reach through here. A little spring-loaded. Just lift that with your finger, pull that out, and clean out your feed dog area. Lift it again. And that's how you remove that plate, at least on this model. Hey, this bobbin winding is the same as just about any other one of these older Singers. I'm going to come across over here to this guide, down to our little tension, up to our bobbin, and then this one has a little switch here. We're just going to move that over, make sure our clutch is disengaged. Anyway, that'll be enough for what I need. Okay, put our, looks like the bobbin threads are going to come off the left side of the bobbin. Lay that in there. There's a little groove there, a little slot. I'm going to catch that. And that's that. Okay, we're still in that top guide we used for the bobbin. So this will take twin needles, so pick one of them tension disc and you'll be good. You're up and around that spring. Then we want to catch this guide. Bring our take-up arm up. Okay, we'll just go through that take-up arm. Now some of them would go back through this guide. This one has some wear marks here, so I don't know. Judging by that wear mark, it would come over this way and not go back in that guide. I could be wrong. If I am wrong, somebody let me know. It's hard to see, but there's a little guide there. Got to go through, and then right through this little, my camera would focus. Yeah, right through that part right there. And then through the needle. See how she sews. Start with a straight stitch. Needles on the left. Light works. Let's try reverse. Okay. Got some tension issues going on there. Tighten it up a little bit. Okay, still got some tension problems. All right, let's try it again. Okay, that's getting better. All right, yeah, there's where, well, you can see the standing up there, big hoops and mess. I mean, look at that. Okay. Only problem, what was causing it, was this wasn't seated into the tension. So what I did was just grab it, you know, this thread and this thread, and just pull it and get it to go into in between that tension disc. Tighten it up a little bit more. Try one more. There we go. That's better. Sometimes it's that simple. Just not any major deal. It just didn't snap in there nice. So let's try zigzag. All right, I'd say it's pretty acceptable. Front side, back side, looking good. Not too bad for a 61 to 62-year-old machine. So it's another one for the collection. Probably won't use it. I'm just going to put it back in the case and put it with the rest of them, and maybe another day I'll do the cams. I keep saying that. I don't really use cams a lot, but if anybody wants to see the cams, I'll be more than happy to demo them. So till next time.